The Matubato expose by the New York Times puts his life in danger that 14 years was hidden and taken care of.
Nung nakita ko yung New York Times article na yun, talagang I was concerned primarily dun sa inexposed na mga muka. Biruin mo sa tagal-tagal, ilang taon na itawid yung ni administration ni Duterte, talagang off the grid yan si Matubato. Then suddenly, but you know how some media people are, na-excite sila na parang mas nangingibabaw sa kanila yung scoop mindset than yung importance of yung safety and security, plus yung posibleng na compromise yung ibang mga ibang tao doon. But nandiyan na yan.
Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Thank you for watching.